Factor completely. 16a to the fourth plus 24a cubed plus 9a squared. First, recognize that there's a common factor of a squared in each term, and we'll start by factoring out the a squared. That would leave us with 16a squared plus 24a plus 9. Now, as we look at this, we see 9, which is 3 squared, and we see 16a squared, which is 4a, the quantity squared. And, therefore, this is probably a perfect square trinomial. Let's check it out. If it were a perfect square trinomial, we would take the first term, which remember is 4a, plus the last term, which is 3 squared, or take the 3, I should say, and that squared. We just need to check to make sure that the 24a is the result that we get by expanding this binomial. Remember that the rule shows us that it's twice the product of the two terms. 3 times 4a is 12a, times 2 is 24a, so we do have the correct factored form.